Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the pager that you all get when you're on duty. There are 4 settings for the pager as well as the volume knob. Obviously the volume knob you use to turn on. Then the 4 settings are A, B, C, and D. Now, settings A and B are what's called closed circuit. So if you have your pager on either A or B and you squelch it, so you turn it on and you squelch it like this, what happens is you won't hear any talking between units until a call goes off. And when a call goes off, it'll beep like usual, it'll alert you like that. Or if it's on B, it will vibrate to let you know there's a call. And then from then on forward, you will hear people talking back and forth because the circuit is now open. After that, if you squelch it again, it closes it again, and you won't hear people talking until there's another call. So that's pretty straightforward. Squelch it so you don't hear anybody, and it'll alert you when there's a call. Squelch it again to shut them up. Then there's C and D, which are what's called open circuit. So you will always hear people talking constantly, and there's no way to stop it. Squelching it doesn't really do anything other than show you that the pager is charged. C beeps, and then D will vibrate when there's a call.
Is it possible to hear the recording of the call?
Yes. When a call happens, it will be recorded on the pager, and it will show you with a red light, one of those 2 lights on the top. It will be red, and then what you do is you press this button on top of your mode selector. You press it, and it will replay a call if there's one on there. To wipe the memory, you just turn the pager off, turn it back on, and it's gone. Volume, pretty simple enough. I think that's all there is to it. Squelch it, check your battery life. There are 3 batteries. It lasts a pretty long time. Charge it up every once in a while. And it'll also beep at you when it gets low. But I wouldn't wait for that to happen. So I think that's pretty much it for the pager. And check out the portable as well. So here's the portable that everyone has. There are 16 channels on them. Channels 1 through 10 are all the CMed channels. So 1 through 10 are just what other agencies around here use. As many of you know, Med 5 is what Stanford, Greenwich, and we use if we're talking with other units. Med 10, obviously, is a Norwalk channel. And then you go up from there. Channel 11 is Darien Police Department. Channel 12 is a fire department. Channel 13 is the other fire department channel that they can use. 14 is the townwide channel. That is for if we need to talk to the fire department and they need to talk to us. We can switch to that channel and we can talk, everybody can talk on one frequency. Channel 15 is the post frequency. And then channel 16 is talk around, which is sort of like walkie-talkies but with our portables. And that's only can be heard by people on our frequency, so people in post. Put that back on. And then to change the volume, it's right there up top. And the orange button you don't want to press because that's a panic button, and it'll start alerting every page that there's somebody in trouble, and the police eventually freak out. Your battery level is on the screen, and then the way you talk is by pressing this button on the side, and it'll transmit. Then up top is where you can change the scanning or not scanning. There are 3 settings, A, B, and C. C is just unprogrammed. B is no scan, which means whatever your channel you're on, that's the only channel you're going to hear. A is full scan, so it scans all the channels and will pick up anything.
All 16 channels?
All 16 channels will be on A. That is pretty much it. There's a squelch button as well on the portables. It's the purple button right on the side. Press it, it squelches just as if you're squelching your pager. And then that's about it. Your lapel mic attaches right there on the side. That pretty much comprises the portable.
Any pointers about wearing it? How you...
Wearing it, yeah.
The holster?
Wear it however you'd like. If you've got one of the radio harnesses, just make sure it's not swinging around, hitting anything. Put it on your belt. Do whatever you'd like to do with it, whichever is easiest for you.
Alright, and that was Andrew. Thank you, Andrew.
No problem.